Hi guys, this is Sarwan from roll number 79. I'm enrolled in B.Ed 1.5 year program at Faculty of Education, University of Sin. I was assigned a topic for presentation titled Questionnaire as a tool of data collection and research by our respectable teacher, Sir Amjad Arain. So let's proceed. A questionnaire is a set of carefully selected and ordered questions prepared by an investigation to seek factual information from respondents or find their opinion, attitude, or interest. As we know, when a researcher collects his data from respondents, he uses many tools like questionnaire, interview test, and observation. Questionnaire has its own importance in conduction of research. It can be used in many kind of research. It can be qualitative, quantitative, and mixed. Questionnaires is the tool by which a researcher collects data in the form of opinions, interest, attitudes, like, dislike, etc. from respondents. So forms of questionnaire. Some forms of questionnaire are there which are used in research for data collection purpose. Let's see one by one. Closed form. Closed form of a questionnaire usually consists of prepared list of concrete questions and a choice of possible answers. In this type of questionnaire, researchers collect responses in simply yes or no answers, sometimes do not know options. In closed form questionnaire, respondents are asked to rank a series of statements, reason, factors, etc. in order of their importance or interest. Closed form questionnaire can also be applied so that respondents give their responses in order form. Here an example is given. Let's see it. Why did you choose to do your B.Ed in the University of Sindh? Kindly indicate three reasons in order of their importance. Using one for the most important, two for the second important, and three for the third important. When this type of question is asked from the respondents, they are given some sort of relaxation. They can choose their choices according to their interest, like in the example, six options are given. So it is up to respondent that how they give order to these options. Here some characteristics of closed form question are given, like closed form questions are easy to fill out and help in keeping the respondent mind focused on the subject. As we know, in closed form questionnaire some options are given, so a respondent can only attempt these limited options. That is why they are easy to fill out with keeping respondent mind attached to the subject. Second characteristic is it is easy to fill up. The questionnaires are always asked in objective form, so we can say that they are easy to fill out. Next point is takes little time. Consumption of time is very short to fill up these kind of questions. Next point is takes little time. Due to objective in nature, the questionnaires take minimum time. Next characteristic is it keeps response done to on the subject. Respondents do not divert during attempting this kind of questionnaire. And next point is it is relatively objective. We can say that this form of objective become because it takes very little time to attempt and answers are given very shortly. Last characteristic of this form is it is fairly easy to tabulate and organize. Even a researcher adopt this type of questionnaire in data collection process, it will be easy to tabulate and organize responses which he has got from respondents because they are available in short answers. After closed form of questionnaire, this is another form of questionnaire named open form. In open form questionnaire, respondents are not forcing to choose between rigidly limited responses. Respondents give their own free responses in their own words. Here in open form questionnaire, respondents are give some say sort of freedom. They are free to express their opinions, ideas, and feelings. In this type of questionnaire, respondents are not bound to choose only limited choices, but they are given free hand. We can understand better with example which are given here. Example A: why did you choose to do your B.Ed in the University of Sindh? When this type of question is asked from respondents, they give their responses responses according to their personal experiences and thinking. So this type of questions are open and straightforward. In same case, it with example B, why it is necessary to teach English as a language in Pakistan. Let's see some characteristics of open form of questionnaire. Starting characteristics is no clues are given. Yes, because questions are always asked openly, so no clues are given there. Respondents are free to express their views. As earlier I said that in the form of respondent have freedom of expression so they can express their views freely. Allows greater depth of the response by the respondent. This characteristic said that responses given by the respondent will be very meaningful and critical in nature. Next characteristic is it requires greater effort on the part of respondent. When we apply this type of data collection process, it will be obvious that audience will go deeper in question which are presented for answer so that they will critically analyze for this this for questionnaire. Then they will respond. So it is somewhat effort taking activity. Next point is difficult to interpret, tabulate and summarize in the research report. These questionnaires are not easy to for the researcher because it is time taking, consuming and demand more uh, concentration for of researcher to tabulate this form of responses which are subjectively described by respondents. Next point is capability to encourage cooperation and achieve report. This is also one important characteristics. Next point is to make better estimate or respondent to intention, beliefs and attitudes. In this type of responses are not merely guesses of respondent but they are actual all beliefs attitude are actual. Let's see final characteristics of open form of questionnaire suggest the possibilities of relations and a hypothesis. This is also an important characteristic of open form questionnaire. This form is quite different from previous two forms of questionnaire. How this is different? Let's go through it. This pictorial form of questionnaire is easy to use and encourages respondents to answer. Respondents are asked a question and the answer choices are images. As we saw in open form and closed form answers choices were word, but here the situation is different. Here the choices are available in the form of images. This form helps respondents choose an answer quickly without overthinking their answers, giving you more accurate data. This form of questionnaire is mostly designed for collecting data from children who are underage like 10 to 13 years because it will be easy to collect data from that age group. Here an example is given a pictorial form. What have you been eating most? With the question four pictures are given against it is up to respondent which he choose. So this is all about pictorial form. Skill item is also an important form of questionnaire. A skill item is a question to which the respondent expresses his agreement or disagreement of various level. When a question is asked from the respondent, he expresses his agreement or disagreement on the measurement of a scale which is attached with the scale. And that scale item have fixed alternatives and resonates indicate where he stands on the scale. For example, any question is asked to the respondent, the response on the given scale response can be strongly agree, undecided, disagree, or strongly disagree. These are some criteria for question writing, like is the question related to the research problem and the research objective? It means question should be parallel with research problem and objective. Next is the question right and appropriate? Absolutely, questions should always be right and appropriate. They should not be invalid and meaningless. Next is the question clear and unambiguous. It means questions should be designed in a way that they can be clear and unambiguous. Means easy to understand. Next is the question suggestive. Question means question should be suggestive. Does the question demand knowledge and information that the respondent does not have? Question should be provide innovative knowledge. Does the question demand personal or delicate material that the respondent may not like to divulge? So here is the administration of question how we can deliver questionnaire to respondent. Before the final form of questionnaire is prepared for distribution among the respondents, it should be tried out or pre-tested for the purpose of validation in terms of practical use. Means they should be pre-tested before administration. The pre-test should be done on a CW prospective respondent and the response be tabulated. A researcher should check his responses, which he got from prospective respondents. The pre-testing would indicate whether the answers can be tabulated satisfactorily and whether answers are forthcoming to crucial questions. Means a researcher can omit mistake from questionnaire which he has made. Pre-testing question would probably indicate need for revision of certain question. By pre-testing, revision can be made. Deletion of some question not yielding useful information. Question which are not useful, they can be omitted from questionnaire. Addition of some new question. Pre-testing will also help research to edit add some new questions. Distribution of questionnaire. There are two ways of distribution. One is direct and second indirect. Direct contact when a researcher presents personally questionnaire to a respondent. He explain to respondents purpose of research study, significance of research study, clarification to respondent about research objective. This is direct method. Next is indirect method. That is also called mail questionnaire. Easy to and quick, low cost, return generally less than 40 to 50 per low. Easy and quick, it means it requires internet and other communicative tool, low cost of budget and money. Return, this is an disadvantage of mail questionnaire because here only 40 to 50% delivery is possible. Thank you.